Hi ladies, meet the Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush. It's a round brush and a blow dryer in one, so you can create a smooth, shiny blowout with tons of volume in one simple step. Getting the perfect blowout at home has never been easier. Just like Buttercup, it uses ionic technology to seal the cuticle for less frizz, and strategically placed vents provide maximum airflow for a faster blowout and tons of shine. A combination of nylon and tufted bristles allow for exceptional tension and control. The gently curved oval barrel is universal for all hair types and helps create tons of volume and a smooth finish. 3 temperature settings allow for customized styling of all hair types, and it's super lightweight. Using it couldn't be easier. Shampoo your hair and towel dry. Brush through with a detangling brush. Apply a dollop of Jumpstart Quick Dry Blowout Serum. It'll help protect your hair from heat and contributes to a faster, smoother, and frizz-free blowout. Place the double shot underneath each section and work it slowly from roots to ends until the section is dry and smooth. For volume at the roots, hold the brush horizontally and blow dry the section in an upward motion away from the crown. Smooth the finished look by working the double shot on top of the sections and brush through from roots to ends. You can also use double shot on dry hair to refresh your style. Spray dry hair with Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist to protect hair from heat, then blow dry with the double shot. It's that easy. Voila! Smooth, shiny hair on wet or dry styles with tons of volume. Enjoy!